touring it from inside, this is how it literally appears, starting from here, which will be the saloon or sitting room. Outside the neighborhood, this is how frontier it looks like. Got some of the frames to which you can keep people do their businesses, rent them, and this is the entire gate for our house. Outside the neighborhood, this is how the road looks like. So in case you have the public transport or you got your own car, you can just drive by, which is quite easier access. And the location you can see is modern, so also the internet is so available, water availability, electricity, but also security is available at maximum level. As you can see over here, markets also are just beneath your location. Touring it from inside, this is how it literally appears, starting from here, which will be the saloon or sitting room. Saloon from here down up to the top, this is how it looks like, the saloon. And apart from the saloon, you got the dining area, which is beneath to the saloon over here, having all the availability utensils such as washing areas and other stuffs. So this is the dining area, and from the roof, that's how it appears on top, coming to here down. And the house itself contains a lot of rooms, starting with the first room, which is this one here. The first room to which someone can just have the opportunity to sleep over here. So it got over 4 rooms. This is the first room. Closer. Away from the first room, we can just go to the corridor and we'll be walking now. You'll have to meet the other second room, which is here. So this is the second room, having the sink board, well, with the vent and the windows with glasses, super clean looking. From there, then you can see the room, the way it is super wide over here for renting. Then now this is the second room. Now we move again back to the corridor, and we'll be moving to the toilet and bathroom. So this is the door entering to the toilet and bathroom. You got the washing basin just beneath to the entrance with the mirror, super looking cool. Then coming to this side, now this is the bathroom. From down, this is how it looks like, our bathroom. Super cool looking. Until the top, that's how it looks like, our bathroom. So bathrooms over here are separated from the toilets. So you can see that's our bathroom, and beneath to the bathroom we got the toilet. This is how our toilet looks like, with the windows on top and the roof. And that's how. So coming out from the toilets and the bathrooms, we just go again to our corridor and we can find the door going to the kitchen. So this is the door going to the kitchen. Whenever you enter the kitchen, this is how our kitchen looks like. So it got the washing basin over here with the taps and the window beneath to it, and you got the door, exiting door, to which you can go outside just beneath to the washing basin. On top, that's how it looks like, the house with the cupboard where you can keep some of the cooking utensils over there, but also can design your kitchen to fill it. But also got the socket to which you can plug your cooking cables, sockets where you can plug the cables to use the electric heater, electric cooker and other stuff. Now Going out from the kitchen, on top how it looks like, this is how it looks like on top the kitchen. Now we just have to go out and still go on touring the other side. So back to our corridor after closing the door. Going to our corridor now, we'll be looking for the master bedroom, which is this one here with the front super looking door. And coming inside, this is our master bedroom. Master bedroom. This is how it looks like, with the switches for air condition and other stuffs. And the roof is just the same, super looking like the other which we just saw in other rooms, because the roof over here was made entirely the same. So this is our biggest master bedroom inside this house. So our master bedroom looks that way. This is how we tour it, and beneath the master bedroom we got its toilet inside, coming just here. This is the toilet. I forgot to switch on the light over here now. So this is the toilet. You can see you got the toilet over there and the bathroom. So the toilet looks super clean this way. This is our toilet guys, and the toilet is of this design flush with the sink, and our bathroom taps looks this similar to what's available at your houses. So coming just next to this room, we got the washing basin where we can clean our hands, and the lamp and other stuff, and a mirror where you can look yourself fresh before going outside. Looks super clean. That's it, fun. So let me show you outside how it looks like inside our house. So outside the neighborhood, this is how front here it looks like. Got some of the frames to which you can keep people do their businesses, rent them, and this is the entire gate for our house. That's how it looks like. So let's go inside. Gonna just be opening the gate, and this is how it looks like from outside. So having the gate of entirely looking like this, going all over that row, and coming to this side, you can see here we got the tank over there in case water system goes off. You can just take water from there. Also here down, this is where you can do the parking for your cars and other stuff, even chilling from outside, but also can renovate it to keep it much better. So this is the surrounding environment of our entire house. The house also includes these two rooms to which you can, in case you got any of the activities, you can just need to do them inside these rooms. Small stores for storage and other stuff. So this is the outside toilet. This is it, the outside toilet. That's how it looks like. And this is where the balcony, you got also the trees over there to settle, and where you can have also a little garage or whatsoever resting place. And the neighborhood is just of this environment. For this side also we can just walk by. This is how it looks like, our house, guys. So in case you're interested on renting an apartment, this is it. Or you can look for any other, and here are the taps for water. Outside the neighborhood, this is how the road looks like. So in case you have the public transport or you got your own car, you can just drive by, which is quite easier access. And the location you can see is modern, so also the internet is so available, water availability, electricity, but also security is available at maximum level. As you can see over here, markets also are just beneath your location. So that's it, which surpasses that the location is entirely good and available for you to rent and live your dream life.